Rappers and music producers. It's Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com, and I'm feeling like being in a very given mood. Today we are going to talk about 5 other YouTube channels that you should be paying attention to, especially if you want the most out of your music career. Let's talk about it. Rappers and music producers, let's just be honest for a second. Curtis King does not spend a lot of time on YouTube. If I'm spending time on YouTube, I'm not watching other people who are delivering the same content as because I just, at some point in time, I gotta get away from it. I gotta go play my Xbox. Yes, I finally got an Xbox. I ain't had an Xbox since 2006, but I finally got an Xbox and I love my Xbox. Anyways, I got to be able to just get away so that I can refresh and present this content as fresh as possible to you. But that being said, whenever you gotta do the same thing, you gotta kind of clean your palette and you gotta go to some other people who are delivering some amazing content. I have 5 suggestions of people that I feel that you should absolutely pay more attention to if you're not already. This community is not a large community, but by all means, you should definitely be checking these channels out. First channel that I think you should be checking out is the homie Busyworks Beats. Now, obviously, that is somebody who's a friend of mine, but it's somebody that he really introduced me to the producer community. Before then, I was just uploading my beats and anybody who commented, just comment. I didn't really know if they were a rapper or producer. It didn't really matter to me. I was just trying to get my art off. But when I saw what he built, what he's doing, when I saw that he was uncommon amongst the uncommon of music producers, I saw that and I said, I like that. And that is something that I can see myself developing in my own way for myself in my own community. I like the fact that he runs his community with professionalism. He expects them to have professionalism. And he just makes the most in-depth tutorials. I mean, you're getting so much bang for your free dollar on YouTube with these 30-minute and 40-minute tutorials that he's breaking down for FL Studio. Look, I don't care what you feel about the man or whatever. Some of y'all be having issues with all kind of YouTubers. I don't even understand why, but good dude, excellent information, and definitely if you're working on FL Studio, there's no reason why you have not already subscribed to him. Go subscribe now, stop playing. The second YouTube channel you should be paying attention to, DJ Payne One. DJ Payne One, of course, is another friend of mine. These are all pretty much be friends of mine, but DJ Payne One is another friend of mine, and I feel that he is the person that gives information that Curtis King does not. I don't be caring. I don't be wanting to talk about split sheets. I don't want to be talking about copyright. I don't want to talk about publishing. That is not my forte, but that man has taken on the job, very honorable job of addressing those questions specifically and more. He's a very straightforward, straight shooter. I get along well with straight shooters and I very much appreciate them. Do I need to pause that? I very much appreciate them, and DJ Payne One is one of those people. He has great information for rappers and music producers, specifically for music producers who are trying to get the most out of their marketing, trying to get the most out of their beat selling, and as well as somebody who teaches you as he's actually doing the things that he's teaching. Great channel to go check out. The third YouTube channel I think you should be paying attention to, Punzalan. This dude is super talented. This is someone that actually got on my radar when he reached out to me. He was like, yo, Curtis, I have a t-shirt that says pay your producer and I would like to send it to you for free. I'm a fan of your content and I would love to just send you this shirt for free. And I was like, that's pretty dope, man. And then when he sent it to me, he was like, yo, by the way, I got a YouTube channel, and I checked it out. And not only is the video quality that he puts out super dope, he does a lot of content that I don't see many other producers attacking. He has one I showed you how he made 30 G's selling beats online, and he gives you actual details. It's not no clickbait. He's really good about giving you exactly what he says he's going to give you within his videos. A sample-based producer that works on a lot of pads, I think is something that is definitely very beneficial to those that like to see producers do more behind the beat videos and hands-on videos. That is your man. Go check out his channel. The fourth YouTube channel I think you should go check out, the homie Lifestyle Did It.
It's Omnisphere too. Lifestyle set me up to do this. Shut up!
Lifestyle Did It came on my radar once I saw an Instagram video where he was basically showing how do I sell beats on Instagram, and he was breaking down step by step and even showing you the messages how he sold beats online. Not only is he a cool dude, but he's definitely somebody who's very thorough about his information. He's somebody that I think that a lot of folks within a younger demographic can relate to. Looks cool, content's cool, the music sounds dope, and he's not afraid to give you all the secrets and the tricks that he's using. So definitely go check out out his channel and subscribe. The 5th YouTube channel I think you guys should go check out, the homie Brandman Sean. That dude is a beast, and he has been beasting for the last few months with his content. What I enjoy the most about Brandman Sean is that it's very similar to how I deliver this content. It's straightforward, it's conversational, and he's telling you like it is. He's giving you examples, he's showing you very practical ways to promote and market yourself, and he's using examples of people who are already successful. Like, you guys know I don't have a lot of videos on my channel that are like how to promote your music like Russ, or what did Russ do? Like, I don't really break down the promotional schemes of other rappers and producers like I used to, but this dude has not only taken that on, but he is doing it so efficiently. I haven't seen anybody else break it down with so much detail. You would think he has an in on every single one of these artists' teams, but this man, he's just very thorough. His work ethic is crazy, and he's actually had me for a few interviews, but he's super dope. Go check out his channel and subscribe. Now, a few honorable mentions obviously is Sharp. The homie Ruslan is definitely somebody that gives out a lot of great information for artists. But look, if you guys have any suggestions, leave them below in the comments. I'm by no means trying to leave anybody out. That's just who I suggest to you. If you got more that you think we should be checking out, leave them in the comments. Don't be mad because I didn't mention your favorite. We don't have the same favorites. We are not the same head asses. You the only head ass, actually. I'm just playing. I don't mean that. In this life, you won't be full of life until you decide to live life to its fullest. It's Curtis King, the leading voice of the online music producer and rapper community. Don't at me. Peace. Please subscribe to the channel below. Curtis King, CurtisKingBeats.com.